Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in to another new video on my channel. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So today we are going to be making just some little tiny soaps. They're like take-along soaps. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. So here are some that these are like a ocean kind of theme here. We're going to be making some fruit ones. Oh, they smell so good. But, you know, depending on whoever you're making them for, like what they like, you can make a theme based on that. So I am using this cut and pour soap. This is great for, you know, if you're making gifts for people or, you know, different things. This is a really great idea. I know that some people that even make soap to sell do use the cut and pour soap. So I am just going to use my little thing here, cut some off. I wasn't even for my last cut, so that's why I started up high and still not even, but that's all right. All right, so this I'll put away and save it. So this is Diamond Clear soap. It's glycerin, but it does also have coconut oil in it. So there's that. And this is gonna just be for, you know, the hands. All right, so I've got my soap. I am going to be doing some little oranges and some raspberries. Now I don't have a set of fruity scents, which is weird. I need to get some. So I'm going to use Lotus Blossom in them. And this is from jtrading. I really like their scents, and they're of course FDA, you know, compliant for use on the skin. And then I've got some soap dye. This is Dusty Rose and Orange that I'll be using. And here are my molds. So this is going to be the orange. And these came from Amazon. Of course, everything came from Amazon. The P&J Trading Company, though, they have a website, Instagram, and they make really good scents. All right, so I've also got 2 glass bowls. So I'm going to take my soap and I'm just going to kind of cut it. And then what I'm going to do is put it in the microwave. So about 20 seconds in the microwave. And it will melt up pretty good. So I'm not going to do nearly as much for my raspberries as I am for my oranges. And I'm using 2 bowls just because I want to use 2 colors and make it easier for myself. All right, so I'm just gonna put this in the microwave for 20 seconds and we'll be right back. All right, so these were in the microwave for exactly 20 seconds. So you can see how quickly they melt, and they melt easily. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of color in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of color in my other one. So you can see, like, if you're making gifts for people, I mean, this is super quick. So I just want to make sure my colors all mix nicely. And that's my Dusty Rose. And it looks really pretty. And then my orange. The one thing with soap, it definitely smells so much better than epoxy. And you can see, I mean, this is a super easy, nice gift. So the thing that I have to get used to is, you know, what is the right amount of scent for it to smell good, but to also, you know, not be over the amount that you need for your skin. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. All right, I'm going to do these ones first, just in case it were to start getting a little bit hard or anything, since these are smaller. All right, this smells so good. All right, I'm gonna just find myself a little mold to just put the rest of this in that I can use for here at home, but we'll let those sit and I'll come back. All right, friends, so it's been a couple hours and our soaps are nice and hard. So I have these little containers. I got these from Amazon. I just put a little piece of parchment in the bottom. These are just little screw tops, and I made just some little labels, very simple, that they just say soap take-alongs on there. Sorry, let me get a little closer. Make sure you're in. All right, so there are those. All right, so do you see? Look how cute these are. These look like actual little orange pieces. How adorable is that? So cute. And then these. I made 2 cans because I wasn't sure like how much would fit in one. And look how cute that is. It looks like a little raspberry. So these are just going to be just little single serving soaps, right? And you can just put them in. And, you know, if you want to fill it up, okay, so I feel like those two make one nice full container, but then you've got just these little single serving soaps. And how cute is that? What a nice little gift. You can make a label for it. I just made a very simple label. It says soap take-alongs. And then, you know, if I'm giving these to people, I'll put just a piece of Scotch tape around the ends after I seal it. But you can just stick this in your purse, or, you know, if you're in your bag, you're going off someplace. And this is so cute. And you can make these, you know, really in whatever, you know, shape works for you, whatever scent. Oh, and these smell so good. That turned out really, really cute. Isn't that adorable? Super cute. All right, listen, I hope that you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful. And I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.